Hey everyone, today I stumbled upon Sketchfab. It's a website in which they basically want to be the YouTube of 3D modeling. They give you a way to upload 3D models, including 3D scans, and they give a nifty little application which you can embed in websites that will allow you to click on the model and view the model in 3 dimensions. You can rotate it, and you can see it as the model was designed to be created. They also have something called 3D Scanning Thursdays. It's a weekly contest where you scan something and you submit it to their forums, and the winner will be picked to win a $25 gift card to 3D Hubs. And I thought this would be a pretty interesting thing to try every week. So this week's scan is kitchen. And the rules are you just scan something in your kitchen. It can be the whole kitchen or just a part of the kitchen. Upload it to Sketchfab and submit it on this forum post. So I decided that for my first entry, I wanted to do this. I call it the Dichotomy of the Sink. And I wanted to focus around the empty sink, the one that is always empty, and the perpetually dirty sink, always filled with dishes. So what I did is I opened up Connect, connected my Xbox 360 to it, and I scanned this little section of my kitchen. I'm happy with the way the scan turned out. I think that the dishes look pretty good, although the coloring is obviously messed up just a little bit, as are the smaller utensils. You can see there's kind of a spoon. This is actually supposed to be a bundle of spoons and forks and all that, but it makes it look a little grosser, which I think adds to this. And then also got the dishes in the drying rack over here, but I didn't swing around to this side so you can see some of the details missing. But overall, Scannect did this room pretty well. I had it on the half room setting, and I had it set to 2 meters by 2 meters by 4 meters, and it did a pretty good job of this room. So the one thing that I had to watch out for was file size. So you can see here that this was the original scan, and it had about 3.5 million faces on it. And this ended up being about a 200 megabyte PLY file. And Sketchfab's upload limit is 50 megabytes. So I had to cut it down drastically. And so I had to drop it down to just under 1 million faces for the final verdict. And overall, it doesn't affect the shape much, but it does drastically affect the color. So if you notice a few of the areas, like this shadow here, and the cupboard, if you notice the grain pattern, as well as the microwave, anywhere where there's sharp contrast with the colors, watch as I flip between them. So this is the original. You can see that it has well-defined grain, and the shadow is a very straight line. But as I move here, the grain is no longer as apparent as are the shadows. So I thought that that was very interesting. So when it comes to reducing the file size of your 3D scan, file size does matter if you're trying to preserve color. As for actually reducing the shape, it doesn't do too much. It makes it a little rougher, but it's not as bad as reducing the colors. So there we go. This is my entrance to the Sketchfab 3D Scanning Thursdays, week 33 for the kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching Hoffman Engineering.